I'm Stan Mander, and I'm out here at the Navarro River Bridge at Albion. I'm just hiking, just to check it out, and all of a sudden here comes a helicopter. Holy cow! Holy cow! Check him out! It turns out that Caltrans fixing to replace this old wooden bridge, and they're taking core samples with the drill rig down there on the bank. In order to access that, they need to take it all apart and drop it by helicopter. So that's what they're doing. I was like, wow, look exciting. Look at him, he's right level with the bridge surface now. All the traffic stopped. And there he goes. You can just see the rotor sticking up. And if you look on the right-hand side of the bridge there, the right end of the bridge rather, left-hand side, there's a semi parked there with a bunch of equipment. There he is, popping up again. Got a sling at the bottom of his helicopter. It's like a couple hundred feet of line. And he's taking equipment off the truck, dropping it down on the bank to take core samples. So, I'm Stan Mander, and I'm out here in Albion at the Navarro River Bridge.